Right guys, just a little bit of a quick update. It's not even really an update, it's just a quick video to be fair, just to let you know the reason why we're not in today for anybody who has turned up at the store. I've had a few customers ring me, just obviously at the studio because I've turned up for the shop. So I do apologise for that, but the reason why we're not in today is, as you're aware, we tend to work 7 days a week, 6 days a week in the studio. Some days I am doing editing on the videos and the cams and all the videos for the work that we do, so I tend to work every day of the week. Every now and again I like to have a little bit of time out for myself, so we took the day off today. We're in the work bus, as you can see, and the reason for that is we've bought ourselves a drone. I need to teach myself how to use a drone, so I've actually been up at Penistone area because there's a lot of fields up there, and we're teaching ourselves, or teaching me, how to use the drone properly and how to make it do the follow me mode where it follows the car, and we can do some better videos for the YouTube channel. And the reason why we bought it is, as you're aware, if you aren't aware, you need to watch the other videos we put on. But we're obviously going on a Europe tour with the Supercar Club. We're going to be doing a little bit of video editing on there. There's about 5 cameras going on our car. They've got their own cameras. There's quite a few drones going, and we want to get a bit of his own footage on the actual cars as we're going, because this is probably a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for what I'm doing. Mainly because of the cost of this. It is outrageous to do on one of these proper tours, but I know it's going to be worth it and we're looking forward to it. But the amount of money we've thrown at the car to get it ready and performance tuned and, you know, capable of actually keeping up with the cars that are going there, because there will be some serious motors there, plus the cost of fuel at the minute, as we're all aware, we're probably going to be 1,200 quid in fuel alone, which is a little bit worrying, plus tolls, food, everything else. You know, this is going to be an expensive tour. So the reason we're not in today, guys, is because of that. I'm going to try and get a little bit of drone footage later on today, just to show that I'm actually getting the hang of it and how it works. And hopefully we'll be able to get the gimbals, we'll be able to get the 3D camera, and we'll be able to get the drone footage for you as we're actually touring Europe, and get some good footage for you in the next sort of month or two when we're doing that. So again, apologies for not being in today, but I'm having a bit of a time out and a bit of fun with this camera, because you know what, these drones are actually pretty cool, and I should have bought one a few years ago. So speak to you soon, guys.